Okay, so now the third part of the video is just to cover that I have added this extra module, which is remove duplicates, which you can run in between of any of these or maybe at the end of these. And once you are done with all of these things, we can take these three columns. I think I made a change in the header. So this would be matching like this. Already done this in the code. I don't want to run the whole thing again. So maybe we can run it. Let's do a one-click operation. Okay, so this should be clean and replace. Is it clean, refresh, load data? No, this should be clean and replace this one. Okay, now I'll click this and this is going to do all these steps one by one from taking the new data, adding the header, applying all the criteria, each and everything. And the code parts has already been, let me update, let me tell you about it. So I have already optimized everything using the latest technology thing. And now we have the listing, which we can copy and use it in our main file, which is, I don't know where you want to use it. Maybe you want to use it in the magic tab. Just paste in here and let's run this macro and let's see if we got any issue about it. So it's going, as we have already added like so many superstructures and category. So wherever your input will be, this will match with each other, main and magic, and obviously it will spit out the already agreed. Okay, let me see. What is this? Maybe we have opened both of the files and maybe conflicting. Let me see. Okay, so it seems that the category name is not matching. So I'll be using these three names in the magic as well. Yep, I think we need to delete this. So I'll come back. Let me copy these headings. Okay, let's do it like this. Go to the categories. We don't need these heading columns, heading rows. I'll delete these and I'll take first three columns. Take these three columns and just paste beneath the header row. I'll make sure that we are getting the same headers exactly on on this one. So we can just simply copy these three columns from here and paste it there. All right, so now this is done. Let me stop the code and run it again. Oh, no, we don't need to run this one. Sorry. Ah, let it complete. So that was the all the criteria the application in this and that thing. So actually we want to run this one with the generated clean list of category, super subcategory and superstructure. Just making sure that the code is completing without any error, and which it should, because it was earlier working as well. Uh, Regarding this, it's taking time. It has nothing to do with my code because the code has already been set up and I have just simply change the values. And the part I have added are not taking that much. For some reason, maybe my PC is slow. It's taking a bit while. I guess it's done. Oh, okay, my PC is hanging. Okay, so now it's done. And we have the results because this part of the code has already been tested. So no worries about it. There will be no problem in this. If there will be matching IDs, the SQs, those will all will get reflected in here. All right, so that is it from my side. Thank you.